Stop overthinking Subto paperwork. When you get a Subto, the homeowner fills out a change request for insurance, mortgage, and HOA. At closing, you now have this paper that says, hey, so-and-so is now managing this property for me, all aspects of this property. So please change mailing address of all notices to here. You use your authorization, change the address. Stop overthinking it. Stop worrying about due on sale. Get your Subto deal. Get the paperwork right, and then change the address. It's that simple. Quit worrying about changing the address for insurance and mortgage and delivery and all that stuff. It's normal for people to change addresses. They're not out there with spotlights looking for anybody making any change to any account. That's not how it works. So please do the paperwork right. Number one, get a TC to make sure you have all the paperwork you need. And then use the paperwork to do its job. Notify people you need to change the address. We have the verbiage set up so that it sounds like you're a property or asset manager. So it's very routine to do that. I want to allay concerns and stop the overthinking that a lot of people have. I get the same question a lot of times. And people are scared to do anything because of due on sale. Relax. People are just scared to send any notices or make any changes. They'll buy a Subto, they have all the paperwork to make changes, and then they don't. They'll put renters in, and the mortgage notices are still going to the house. They're not updating the insurance. They're not adding themselves as additional insured. You got to do that stuff. Making updates to your accounts is not a transaction coordinator's job. Transaction coordinator's job is to put paperwork together. Now, if you want to hire a transaction coordinator in-house to work on your team, for your team, on hourly pay, sure, you can ask them to make all the updates for you for your accounts. But if you're hiring a third-party transaction coordinator, we'll get you to the finish line. We'll make sure you have all the tools you need to do the job, but you have to manage your own property. We're not going to manage it for you. And updating the address with the mortgage company and the insurance, that's part of managing your property. So stop overthinking it. Use the paperwork. Do the stuff. Don't be scared.